What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm going to take a look at XRP, up 17% in the last 24 hours. We're sitting at 82 cents. Seeing market cap 47 billion, 24 hour 11.73 billion. So if we look, we've seen a nice pump to the upside for XRP. So off the bear market low, we have a 1212 looking to push up in the 3. And we've just started to put in our first 5 waves. So you have a wave 1 up, wave 2 pull back. Now you're pushed up into a 3. The normal target is the 161.8, which is currently sitting at 88 cents. You pull back in a 4 before pushing higher in a 5 and breaking back above $1. I do think there's a good chance XRP will run all the way to $8 to $10 at least in this bull run. They won their case. The evil man, Gary G, is stepping down. I think he already did resign because Trump's going to fire him, which is really bullish for crypto and, of course, our friend XRP. So if we take a trend-based fib extension off the bear market low for this wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, that'll give you a wave 3 target all the way up. Let me just move this down. Grab my price target here. All the way up with $1.44. So that's what we can expect our first 5-wave move to complete. Then we see a bit of a larger pullback before continuing up to 144 for our friend XRP. If you want completely free access to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many coins, my exact crypto trade setups just recently gave a signal. My Forex signals, we have almost 3,000 members, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. All links down below. Go check it out. Oh, if you want completely free access, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America without a KYC or VPN. Once you've signed up, it will take 30 seconds. Just send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my trading group. No strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.